While on one hand there are many dangerous animals in the animal kingdom, on the other hand there is no dearth of animals that become prey into this predator. One of the name of this prey is that of zebra. This is the animal of the forest which often falls prey to attacks by big predator and becomes their food. However, the black and white stripe on its body also help it to hide in the forest. But despite this, sometimes such moment comes when he is not able to save himself and becomes a victim. In today's video, we have brought to you such a moment where it too had to fight with a dangerous hunter in the forest. Lion's attack on zebra. Whenever the most dangerous predator of the jungle is mentioned, the name of the lion is always included in. The lion is a hunter who catches his prey and does not rest until he kills it. But you can see for yourself how this attack takes place. A zebra walks forward through the grass in the forest. Looking at his fun-loving style, it would not be wrong to say that he is unaware of the danger lurking in the grass. Although he stops his step for a moment, but the very next movement he starts moving forward again. But in the meantime, a lion comes out of grass and attacks him. The zebra is shocked by this sudden attack and starts running to save itself, but its effort go in vain when a group of lions attack it. The poor zebra is unable to save itself in front of so many lions and becomes their prey. Crocodiles attack zebra. Here is zebra. Now the crocodiles makes a strong attack on its mouth and catches it and start drowning it in the water. The poor zebra tries to save itself by moving its body, but it is of no use. Soon more crocodiles arrive and all of them start tearing the body of their prey apart. However, there is still life in the zebra body and it moves too, but the crocodiles does not care about it and start eating its flame. Hyena attacks zebra. Friends, the king of the jungle may be the lion, but if all the animals in the jungle dream of a hunter, then it is this hyena. It is so dangerous that after catching its prey, it does not even wait for it to die and start tearing it apart and hunting it alive. For example, just look at this video clip in which some hyena have surrounded a zebra and are trying to attack it. Although the zebra can just them if it wants, but this zebra is already injured and is unable to stand up properly and just sits there. As soon as he sits, the hyena pounces on his and start biting his body. However, at times the zebra gather courage and start up and tries to free himself from the hyenas, but nothing works before the hyenas strength and finally he becomes their prey. Then the hyenas throw its prey down and start tearing its flesh. After seeing this attack of a hyena, you must have understood how dangerous they are. Friends, this animal with black and white stripe often becomes the prey of such wild animals and loses its life. Perhaps that is why not name is included in those animals, for which the hunter does not have to work very hard to get them. Do you like the video? Please like, share and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for next video.